Now the topic before us is deletion technique used by antivirus software. When antivirus software is certain that a file is malicious and it cannot be safely neutralized, for example, through repair, then antivirus software will often delete the file outright, immediately, because the antivirus software is certain that file is malicious and it cannot be safely brought to a position that it may become safe. Then the antivirus software will often delete the file immediately, because to remove its maliciousness is not possible. This removes the file or threat from the system. Deletion of the file, deletion of the threat from the system. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.